Okay guys, so I looked up the reset procedure for the maintenance light, and actually you'll see it right here. That maintenance required light right over here. And it involves holding up the trip reset button, which this one's pretty easy. So you actually, we're actually gonna set it up like this. And I am going to hold it down while turning the key. And I will have to do that with this. All right, set that up like that. And I'm gonna push it in while turning the key. It should flash all zeros on here if it did it successfully. Should only be 5 seconds. Let's try this again. I'm gonna push the trip reset in. Turn the key on. Okay. The mileage has to be displayed while you do it, not the actual trip. So if you saw it, it flashed to all zeros, went kind of line by line, went to all zeros. And now if I go and start the car, my maintenance required light is now off. So good to go. So again, this oil change is all done. Make sure we do all those things while you're doing these oil changes. It's not just the mechanical side that you're looking at. It's not just knowing something once or twice. It's really mastering what we're doing, and it's making sure that we're going to be really proficient at it and that we take care of the customer's needs while we do it. So again, something little like forgetting a maintenance required indicator will cause your customer to lose faith and maybe go to someone else next time. And we're definitely trying to win customers over, whether it be in our auto shop or out there in the field. We want to win customers over, and that means being, taking their needs and putting them up forefront for us to take care of for them. So those are the little things. An oil change on a 2004 Toyota Camry. We will see you next time.